In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to save your iPhone battery life. So to save iPhone battery life, all you have to do now, go to settings. After you open settings, scroll to down and go to Siri. This option, Siri. After you open Siri, now scroll to down. Now as you can see, now there is now these four options. So now make sure you turn off these four options. So by turning off these four options now, it will help you to save your battery on your iPhone device. So the next step, all you have to do now is close the setting and open the setting again. So now after you open the setting again, now scroll to down and go to this general option. Under the general, now scroll to down and go to this background app refresh. In this background app refresh, as you can see now, there is a lot of apps that are currently running in background on your iPhone device. So as you can see now, these apps are always working on your iPhone. So they are the main reason why your iPhone device is just draining your battery without a reason. So all you have to do now, go and turn them off. By turning them off now, you will save a lot of battery of your iPhone. So now tap on this section to turn them off. So now tap on this off. So now go back and see. As you can see now, I turned them off. Now it will save my iPhone battery. So now the last option to save your battery of your iPhone, all you have to do now, go to settings again. After you open the settings again, now scroll to down and go to this accessibility. After you tap on this accessibility, now go to motion. In this motion, now turn on this option, reduce motion, this one. So by reducing the motion now, it will save you a lot of battery of your iPhone device. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, guys.